Hi, my name is Dan Walters from Juno Innovations. In this video, I'm going to show you how to uninstall Orion from a K3s cluster after it's been installed via our one-click command. In this example, I have Orion installed here at snap.halffieldeffects.com. To uninstall Orion, we simply need to SSH into our node. From there, all you have to do is type K3s-uninstall. Now, in some cases, you may need to use sudo. In my instance, my user is already in the sudo group. You also find this command in our documentation. Now, I can refresh this page and you'll see we are disconnected and Orion has been uninstalled. If you'd like to do some additional cleanup, such as your previous values, you can see in the directory where you installed Orion from, you'll find a Orion-helper scripts file, a .values file, and a Juno folder. You can then go ahead and delete those as well via an rm-rfv command. And now Orion is officially removed from the system. After doing this, you can always reinstall if you need to change anything. Obviously, we hope you never need to uninstall Orion, but we know sometimes that's not the case. This has been a brief overview of how to uninstall Orion from a K3s cluster. If you have any additional questions or need additional support, you can always find our contact forms for both our sales teams and support teams via our website.